Hi there, it's Tim, and I want a special thank you to KBO for sending me out another electric bike. This is the KBO Ranger, and yours truly, the genius in the video, forgot to turn the microphone on for the first few moments of the video. So you've got me here practicing my clean and jerks. It's actually quite a bit heavier than it looks. It's about 77 pounds coming out there. Lots of packaging. I like that. Protecting the paint, making sure that everything looks nice. Footrests, 2, left and right. Ranger owner manual. I'll read that for a few moments. I do like these. These are really nice quality bricks. Left and right pedal. I like that they're labeled. Multi-tool, and of course, a light. Alrighty, so I've read the Ranger owner's manual and I've turned the microphone on. I'm just gonna quickly run through this and take all these pieces off. So for the first time in a while, I think I'm gonna be able to put this handlebar on the right way the first time. Let's keep my fingers crossed here. Yeah, that looks about right. It looks like I've got everything in the right position. So all I'm gonna do now is there are 4 bolts at the front here to loosen up. I'm gonna loosen them up, take this clamp off using their handy little tool that came with the box. And, oh, thank you, Melissa. Let me get started. Perfect. All right, next up is going to be a tire. I'm just going to do a quick tidy up here. I don't like putting things together in untidy spaces. And all I'm going to do here is, whoops, not drop it, is loosen up this little plastic thing on the bottom. And there we go. This one, I'm just going to flip it upside down. Nice and gentle. And we're going to use gravity to make sure that I get this in perfectly. That feels much better. Oh yeah. I'm going to have to adjust the brakes, but other than that, perfect, like that. So I'm just going to flip it back over. Did you get that on camera? There we go. Well, that went perfectly. That was just the handlebar because I just put it on and I hadn't put it on tightly, so I'm gonna put that on nice and tightly next. All right, so the KBO Ranger has a 48 volt, 17.5 amp hour lithium battery, which is right there. 750 watt motor at the back, so that's kind of nice. So yet another powerful motor. You're gonna need a powerful motor because it's quite heavy. It has 7-speed Shimano derailleur at the back. Let me just rotate it around so you guys can see it. With a little bit of dust from shipping, that 7-speed Shimano derailleur. And when I'm pedaling, which is a reminder, I need to put the pedals on next, it has an intelligent 5-level pedal assist. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out. It weighs about 77 pounds. I've got to screw in the pedals next. I'm going to do that off camera, and I'm going to put the mud guard on at the front. I'm going to adjust the handlebars just to rotate it. There's one little thing up here that I'm going to just point out to you, and that is there are 2 little wires. This is very common with e-bikes in particular. These 2 little wires you need to plug in, and that's because they don't want turning on while it's in transit, right? So I'm going to plug that in. In fact, let me just do that now. And that's that. And in fact, because of that, I should be able to just turn it on. And that's yes, I can turn it on. So brand new, no miles. On the left-hand side, I can scroll through to all 5 different pedal levels, if you like. Twin brakes. And that Shimano 7-speed derailleur is controlled from up here. Oh, that's a cute spot. And at the back here, tied up underneath the seat, are the 2 keys, which is kind of handy. Thank you, KBO, for sending me out another bike to review. I am really looking forward to this. I didn't realize it had a step through. I think that's going to be really handy, especially for perhaps an older audience or people that wear skirts. You know, I'm going to put it all together next, and I'll show you what it looks like. Then I'm going to do a full review in the next video.